Yeah, it's gonna take me a good minute to sort out all this.
I don't think they ready.
Alright guys, we looking much better. Took a minute but got most of it sorted out. So all this, well, except for this, these are the fall pack vapes as I showed you guys in my last video. If you haven't already, y'all can check that video out. Also, all colors and sizes still available on the site. But these, as well as these and these over here, are the latest Bape skatesters that dropped. Oh, we got that OVO collection too.
Drake!
So we'll be checking that out as well. So when they dropped the photos, at a glance I was thinking, didn't they drop these already? But those were the ABC camo skatesters. Hold on, give me a sec. Yeah, see with these, almost the entire upper has different shadings of that ABC camo coloring. And the sock liner has that ABC camo print, you know, giving it a bit more flash to it. With these new ones, we have the primary secondary colors and a combination of neutral colors. Yeah, y'all see that? Much darker. Hold on, let me get out of the shadow real quick. Yeah, these bad boys is extra blue. But with the combination of the blacks and grays, overall it does even it out. Ah, yeah, and it's kind of hard to tell. All the gray coloring on the shoe is suede. You know, I've always been into darker shades of colors, so if I had to choose between the two, it would be this new clean navy colorway. Alright, on to the red ones. And here's the red colorway. A nice strong red color does remind me a lot of the SB Dunk Chicago's. Now with all kinds of skatesters that's been dropping in the past, I would say this new pack is geared towards more wearability, you know, especially the color scheme. Well, the green ones, we'll be taking a look at them here in a sec. Ironically, the Lost and Founds are dropping sometime soon, I think, but I'm a Bape head through and through. And the green. Man, this Ninja Turtle color ass shoe. Nah, I'm playing. The green colorway is pretty cool. Very varsity green like. These are the least popular out of the group, but that don't really mean nothing. Still pretty clean shoe. Well, there they are guys, the Bape Skatester ones. Which ones would you cop? And like always, all colors and sizes, all available on my site. Alright, there goes the Skatesters. Now, we on to the Bape OVO. So this is the third time Bape and Drake's OVO have done a collab together. Let's see what they're talking about this year. So we'll start off with the small stuff first, and then we'll move our way up. The Bape OVO money clip.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
So it comes in two different colors, the silver and the gold. This is the silver color. The front is shaped like an ape head with the OVO owl on top. And on the back, we have a Bathing Ape, October's very own. If you're into money clips, yeah, why not? But my thing is, if you don't have enough bills or cards to hold stuff,
I'm broke!
then stuff will just start to slip out. I'm more of a wallet type of guy. Oh, and it does come with this leather pouch. Okay, on to the socks. Got two colors, the black colorway and the white colorway. Can't really do too much with socks, but on the ankle, we have that OVO and the star logo design, which is, yeah, pretty cool. Besides that, the socks. And here's the black colorway, which personally, the colorway I would cop. You wear the white ones a few times. Alright, on to a little bit of the better stuff, the Bape OVO Ape Head tees. Now they drop this design every year ever since the first release, of course with a few changes here and there. This year they went more of a Bape bicolor design, you know, the one solid color design. Whereas the first 2 years, the first year we had the regular ape head design, and then the second year we had that woodland camel design. Here's the black and gold colorway. Got the big ape head with the OVO owl in gold. And right up under that, we have that Arabic script, English translation, October's very own in white. Just like any other big ape head print tee, nothing on the back. You know, a bit too flashy for my taste with the whole gold coloring and all, but yeah, not too bad. And the white and black colorway, which is the colorway I would personally go for. Okay, on to the hoodies. Alright, so we got two types, pullover and the shark hoodie. We'll start off with the pullover first. Now only coming in one colorway, this pullover is pretty straightforward. You got a large ape head and OVO owl patch print, and it's a pretty solid one too. And that's about it. Now I do want to say, in my opinion, this pullover is better than the past 2 years. First one was just a regular ape head with the OVO owl, and then the second year was a embroidered college print. With the patch print, the gold coloring, this pullover has more pop to it. Okay, shark hoodie time. Now this also coming in the gray colorway. This year's shark hoodie, they really toned it down. If y'all remember that second year, it was a 2 shark in 1, a whole reversible hoodie. Color camo red hood, black body, just like the second year. Instead of the WGM patches, we have the OVO patches. Tiger print on the right side like always. Coming down to the body, ape head OVO owl on the chest, and on the left sleeve, we have that OVO owl. And that's about it. You know, this year was pretty simple. A lot more wearable, but that can be a good thing and a bad thing. I'll get into that a little bit more later on. And the last item in the collection, the Bape OVO bomber jacket. Maybe I would say the best item in the collection, personally. We got a distressed ape shall never kill owl print on the left side. And on the right side, we have an OVO owl patch. Stitched body strap of Bape's motto, 1993 to 2093, which I've kind of thought about. When it does hit 2093, I wonder if they're going to change that up. If a Bathing Ape is still around. Big, back in my day head ass. First camo green left sleeve, a regular black sleeve with the ape head OVO owl patch on the shoulder, arm pocket, and them Arabic scripts, October's very own. And here's the back. Now, is this bomber jacket better than the varsity jacket last year? Personally, I like bomber jackets more, but that's just me. What y'all guys think? Well, there goes the Bape OVO collection. Of course, there was a few other things. Now, like I mentioned, real simple this year, but more wearable, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. Compared to last year, more items, crazier designs. And then this year, you can kind of say, they really didn't do anything. So, kind of up and down. What y'all guys think? Now, part of this third collection, there has been news about some OVO Bapes this month. Let's see, that'd be cool. Well, there it is, you guys. The latest Bape Skatesters and the Bape OVO 30-year collection. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!